This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You identify a narrowly focused, high-value niche and validate demand fast. First, pick topics that attract ads and buyers, then make 10 consistent uploads to test CTR and watch time. Once done, measure 30-day retention and engagement to decide whether to scale. Make sure to map one funnel, lead people from video to channel to product or affiliate link. This is where FU money begins, not from guessing, but repeating proven demand and a monetization path. You scale by turning winning topics into replicable formats and batching production. Start each video with a sharp hook in the first 5 to 10 seconds, then deliver high-value middle sections that keep viewers until a clear CTA. Once you have conversion data, double down on thumbnails, titles, and video length that increase watch time and clicks to your offer. Make sure to automate posting cadence and reuse templates, so every upload improves both views and revenue per view. You close the loop by converting viewers into buyers on repeat. Focus on high-margin products, your own digital course, membership, or high-ticket affiliate offers that justify audience targeting. Once conversions work, reinvest 30 to 50% of profits into ads and hiring editors to increase output. If things go wrong, audit retention and CTA clarity first. Low retention kills funnels. Fix offer relevance next. Keep iterating until organic plus paid scaling produces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.